Hey guys, Shabazz here from Adams8908. Now in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to use more than 2 WhatsApp on a single SIM device. So to be precise, I will be using 3 different WhatsApp on this device and I will be showing you guys how it works. I'm going to give you guys a link down the description for all of these 3 APKs. So guys, again, I won't be using any kind of cloning app whatsoever to run 3 WhatsApp on this phone. All these 3 apps are a different flavors of WhatsApp which I will be installing on my phone. So without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is the phone which we will be using for today's video. So I've already installed 3 different WhatsApp on this phone. As you guys can see, 3 of these WhatsApp are here. First one is WhatsApp Plus, which is in blue color. The second WhatsApp is OG WhatsApp, O as in Oscar, G as in Golf. So the name of the second WhatsApp is OG WhatsApp. The third WhatsApp is GB WhatsApp. The second WhatsApp is OG WhatsApp, and the first WhatsApp is WhatsApp Plus. And all of these are in different colors. As you guys can see, the first one is in blue color. So blue stands for WhatsApp Plus, gray stands for OG WhatsApp, and the third is the green WhatsApp, which is GB WhatsApp. If you guys install 3 of these APK files on your phone, you won't be able to install the 4th WhatsApp from Google Play Store. So if you go to Play Store and check for WhatsApp, it will ask you to open the application and that will open WhatsApp Plus. So let me just show you guys how it goes. I'm going to tap in WhatsApp Messenger and it gives me the option to open it directly. So if I open it, it goes for WhatsApp Plus. As you guys can see, it's mentioned WhatsApp Plus over here and it's asking me to agree and continue. This is a single SIM device, guys. By the way, I'm using Samsung Galaxy Note 4. This is a LTE 4G compatible phone. Right now the radios are not being properly installed, so you guys won't need any kind of root permission to install 3 of these APK files. You guys can just install all of these 3 WhatsApp on a plain device. So even though if your phone is not rooted, you guys will still be able to install these 3 APK files in your device. So if I open WhatsApp Plus, it gives me the option to agree and continue. If I click on agree and continue, it asks me to enter the phone number. I'm gonna have to enter the phone number, verify my phone number with the device in which I have inserted the same number's pin, and I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna open OG WhatsApp. Let me just open it. This is also giving me option to agree and continue. I'm going to click on agree and continue. Again, it's asking me for a phone number. I'm going to have to enter the phone number and verify this phone number with a device in which I have inserted this number's SIM card. So let's go to the third WhatsApp and see if GB WhatsApp works fine. As you guys can see, this is working fine. It's again giving me option to agree and continue. If I click on agree and continue, it gives me option to verify my phone number. Again, I'm going to have to enter the phone number and verify it with the phone which has got the SIM card of this phone number. I'm going to emphasize on the point that I'm not using any kind of cloning app or third-party app to run these 3 WhatsApp. So guys, this is how you work around with your single SIM device and install 3 different WhatsApp on your phone. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please do subscribe for my channel, Adams8908. If you guys subscribe for my channel, you guys will get notifications about the latest uploads, latest videos which I upload on YouTube. Thanks a lot again guys for being a part of this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.